बीएसएफ का हमेशा से ये एक मोटो रहा है कि हम राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा की प्रथम पंक्ति ज़रूर हैं, पर जिन लोगों के लिए हम काम करते हैं उनके साथ रह के उनकी खुशी में भी हम सहभागी बने और उनके हौसलों को आगे बढ़ाते रहें। और जैसा कि आपने कहा कि ऐसे इवेंट से लोगों को ये महसूस होता है कि दुनिया में करने लायक बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं, अच्छी चीज़ें हैं जो हम कर सकते हैं, और एक जो फीलिंग पैदा होती है, स्पिरिट जो बनती है, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है। उसमें खास करके स्पोर्ट्स में आप देखेंगे कि जो यूनिटी की फीलिंग होती है, स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट की फीलिंग होती है, वो उससे एक बहुत अच्छा मैसेज सोसाइटी में जाता है।
Sir, as you talk about their safety and security, so as everybody knows that during past BSF played a vital role on borders also.
Yeah.
Recently, that number of violations across the border have been occurred in different places. What is the present position and how do you see such type of attempts done by the across the border?
See, we are the first line of defense and we are committed to protect the country. We are determined to protect the country and we are fully prepared to face any challenges on this country.
Across the border, every time you people are also facing the infiltrations. But presently, as per the calamity conditions, do you have any inputs that how across the border that people are trying to infiltrate because before the huge snowfall?
Yeah, there is an attempt and we are fully prepared, and all other agencies, forces, they are also fully prepared and we are tackling the situation as best as we can.
Can we say that across the border people are still involving in the militancy, pushing the people towards here?
There are attempts to push in the militants in our country, and particularly this period is very suitable for such activities. So all the counter measures we are taking are very effective, and we are, as DGBSF, I can tell you, we are committed to foil such attempts, and we will tackle the situation effectively.
So what is the present position? Because recently you have also lost the martyr, the one sub-inspector also, number of jewels.
Yeah, it is a situation which requires a lot of attention, a lot of alertness, and situation is there, no doubt about it, and we are facing it.
कितने लॉन्च पैड पे कितने मिलिटेंट्स अभी यहाँ पे पास?
ये जो सुबह एनकाउंटर हुआ है वो जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने एनकाउंटर किया है, जिसमें 4 मिलिटेंट मरे हैं, और जो लॉन्च पैड्स की आप बात कर रहे हैं उसके इनपुट्स आते रहते हैं, तो उसको काउंटर करने के लिए, तैयारी करने के लिए हम सभी अलर्ट हैं। आज जो एनकाउंटर हुआ है वो भी इस चीज़ को दर्शाता है कि हमारी एजेंसीज, पुलिस फोर्स सभी अलर्ट हैं और उसको काउंटर करने के लिए तैयार हैं। गोइंग टू तंगधार आफ्टर दिस इवेंट एंड we are going to organize a medical camp there from the BSF side as part of our civil action plan. And for the civilians living in the border areas, BSF is committed to help them, provide all sorts of assistance in their difficult times. And as part of that, we continuously organize various activities. Today we are going to inaugurate a medical camp which will continue for some time for the locals, and we will provide all sorts of assistance, not only for the diagnosis but also for the treatment.
How much Pakistan faces losses during recent ceasefire violation?
That has already come in the press. I need not repeat it.